Sri Asaduddin Owaisi ji.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. This is in relation to the drug trade, sir. Sir, in 2022, Afghanistan has imposed a stringent ban on opium production, sir. But that ban has led to a grave threat on our eastern border with Myanmar. Now, Myanmar has become the largest opium producer in the world, sir. And this has led to highest seizures in Manipur, sir. Between July 22 and July 23, sir, contraband approximately valued at 1,600 crore was seized in Manipur, sir. And the Deputy Director General of Narcotics Central Bureau has stated, I quote him, sir, proceeds of drug trafficking are increasingly being used to fund terrorism and to support armed groups. Now, what is happening, sir, in Manipur, illicit poppy cultivation is happening. Factories have emerged. This is then sent to Myanmar and it comes back to Manipur, sir. Sir, 2,600 weapons were recovered in Manipur. Since the violence, 800 weapons or sophisticated weapons which were procured from outside the country. So this nexus of illicit drug and weapons trades could have the potential fire in the Manipur violence, sir. Sir, the modernization of Narcotics Control Bureau, not a single paisa was given this year, sir. Only a meager 5 crores allocated for assistance state duties and narcotic control, sir. And unfortunately, sir, additional SP officer had to resign who had got a gallantry award for seizing drugs. She had given a written affidavit in the Impal High Court that the sitting Chief Minister stopped her because she had seized 28 crore worth of drugs. So long as Biren Singh remains the Chief Minister, and cookies cannot be blamed. Cookies cannot be blamed. He has to be removed for the violence to end, for the drug trade to end in Manipur, sir. Thank you, sir.
It will not be a part of record. It will not be a part of record. It will not be a part of record.